Welcome back. Today, we're revealing the surprising health benefits of something you already have in your kitchen: baking soda. This simple, affordable powder isn't just for baking or cleaning. It can help with everything from heartburn to immune support, especially for seniors. Let's dive into 13 ways baking soda can boost your health. Just remember, always check with your doctor before trying new remedies. Heartburn is that burning, sometimes sharp pain you feel in your chest after a meal. It's a common problem, especially as we get older, and it can strike after eating spicy foods, rich meals, or even just from lying down too soon after dinner. That uncomfortable sensation can make it hard to enjoy your favorite foods or relax after a meal. Instead of immediately reaching for over-the-counter antacids, there's a simple home remedy you can try. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Stir it well until it dissolves completely. This easy solution is something many people already have in their kitchen cupboards, and it can be prepared in just a minute or two. Baking soda works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, which is what causes that burning feeling. When you drink the mixture, it helps to quickly calm the acid, providing fast and noticeable relief. Many people find that within minutes, the discomfort fades and they can get back to their day. But remember, while this is a quick fix for occasional heartburn, it's not meant to be a long-term solution. If you find yourself needing relief often, it's important to look deeper into what's causing your symptoms. Overusing baking soda can disrupt your stomach's natural acid balance and may lead to increased sodium intake, which isn't good for your heart or blood pressure. Always check with your doctor if you're unsure, especially if you're on a low-sodium diet or taking other medications. If you notice that heartburn is happening more frequently, or if it's interfering with your daily life, make an appointment with your doctor. Persistent heartburn can be a sign of a more serious condition, like acid reflux or GERD, and it's important to address the root cause rather than just treating the symptoms. Use baking soda sparingly, only for those rare, uncomfortable moments when you need quick relief and don't have other options on hand. It's a helpful tool, but not something to rely on every day. Relief from heartburn can be as simple as a glass of water and a little baking soda. Just remember, moderation is key, and your long-term health is always worth a conversation with your doctor. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a common and often painful problem, especially among older adults. They can cause a burning sensation when you urinate, a frequent and urgent need to go to the bathroom, and even lower abdominal pain or discomfort. These symptoms can disrupt daily life and make it hard to rest or focus on anything else. If you or a loved one is experiencing these signs, it's important to find ways to ease the discomfort while you seek proper treatment. One simple home remedy that some people use is mixing baking soda into water. When dissolved, baking soda can temporarily make your urine less acidic. This change in acidity may help reduce the burning feeling and make urination a little less uncomfortable. It's a quick and easy option that you can try at home, but it's important to use it carefully and not rely on it as your only solution. By making the urine less acidic, baking soda may also slow down the growth of some bacteria, giving your immune system a small boost as it works to fight off the infection. This can provide short-term relief and help you feel a bit better while you wait for medical care. However, it's not a cure, and the effects are only temporary. If you decide to try this remedy, use only half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a full glass of water. You can do this once or twice a day, but only for a short period, no more than a couple of days. Drinking too much baking soda can be harmful, especially for people with certain health conditions like high blood pressure or kidney problems. It's very important to remember that baking soda is not a cure for UTIs. These infections can become serious if left untreated, and they often require antibiotics prescribed by a healthcare professional. Ignoring symptoms or delaying proper treatment can lead to complications, such as kidney infections or more severe health issues. Always see your doctor if you suspect a UTI. They can confirm the diagnosis and provide the right medication to clear the infection. Taking antibiotics as prescribed is the best way to prevent complications and ensure a full recovery. Think of baking soda in water as a comfort measure to help you manage symptoms for a short time, not as a replacement for real medical treatment. It can help you feel a little better, but it won't get rid of the infection. Always prioritize professional care for infections, and don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about your health. When you walk down the pharmacy aisle, you'll see rows of commercial mouthwashes, each promising fresh breath and a cleaner mouth. But many of these products contain alcohol, artificial colors, and strong chemicals that can actually irritate sensitive mouths, especially for seniors. If you've ever felt a burning sensation or noticed dryness after using a store-bought mouthwash, you're not alone. Fortunately, there's a simple, gentle alternative you can make at home: baking soda. This common kitchen staple is not only safe and affordable, but it's also incredibly effective for oral care. Baking soda works by neutralizing acids in your mouth, which helps protect your tooth enamel from erosion and decay. It also targets the root cause of bad breath rather than just masking odors. By balancing the pH in your mouth, baking soda helps create an environment where harmful bacteria struggle to thrive, leaving your breath fresher for longer. Making your own mouthwash is easy. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Swish the solution around your mouth for about 30 seconds, making sure it reaches all areas, then spit it out. There's no need to rinse afterward, as the gentle residue continues to protect your teeth and gums. This homemade rinse can also provide soothing relief for minor mouth sores or irritations, which are common as we age. Its mild, non-irritating formula makes it a great choice for anyone with sensitive gums or oral tissues. Remember, baking soda mouthwash is best used as a supplement to your regular brushing and flossing routine. It's not a replacement, but it can give your oral care an extra boost, helping you maintain a cleaner, healthier mouth every day. Choosing a natural approach means you avoid unnecessary chemicals and additives, focusing instead on what truly benefits your oral health. It's a simple, effective, and natural solution that fits easily into your daily routine. Give this homemade mouthwash a try and experience the difference. Fresher breath, a healthier mouth, and peace of mind knowing exactly what you're using. Got a sore throat? Gargle with a mix of baking soda and salt in warm water. This soothes irritation, reduces acidity, and helps clear mucus. It won't cure infections, but it offers quick comfort. Gargle several times a day as needed. It's a simple way to ease pain while your body heals. Keep this remedy handy during cold season. For bug bites, hives, or rashes, try a baking soda paste. Just mix with water and apply. It calms itching and draws out irritants. For widespread irritation, add baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak. This soothes skin, reduces inflammation, and restores pH balance. Pat dry gently and moisturize after. Safe for sensitive skin, it's a natural alternative to chemical creams. Quick, gentle relief for irritated skin. Baking soda absorbs moisture and neutralizes odor. Sprinkle it in shoes or on feet. For athlete's foot or tired feet, soak in warm water with baking soda. This creates an alkaline environment, making it harder for fungus to thrive. It softens calluses and relieves itching. Always dry feet thoroughly after soaking. Simple steps for fresher, healthier feet. In chronic kidney disease, baking soda can help manage acid buildup, but only under strict medical supervision. Studies show it may slow kidney decline by correcting acidosis. Never self-treat. Improper use can worsen blood pressure and fluid retention. This is a powerful therapy, but only for those under a doctor's care. It highlights how pH balance is vital for health. Always consult a specialist before considering this approach. Baking soda baths support your skin's natural detox process. Add it to warm water. Combine with Epsom salts for extra muscle relaxation. The alkaline bath helps neutralize environmental toxins and soothes skin. Soak for 20 minutes, then hydrate well. It's a relaxing self-care ritual that supports your body's natural cleansing. Simple, affordable, and rejuvenating. Athletes use soda loading to buffer lactic acid and delay muscle fatigue. Baking soda increases blood alkalinity, helping muscles perform longer during intense activity. This is mainly for competitive athletes. High doses can cause stomach upset, not for casual use, but a fascinating example of pH's impact on performance. Consult a sports professional before trying this strategy. Use with caution and only if you're serious about competition. Baking soda in water can quickly relieve indigestion and bloating by neutralizing excess stomach acid. It can also help release trapped gas, easing discomfort. Use occasionally for relief after heavy meals. Persistent symptoms mean it's time to see your doctor. Baking soda is a handy remedy, but not a daily fix. Listen to your body and address underlying issues. A balanced pH supports immune cell function. Baking soda can help maintain alkalinity, reducing stress on your body's systems. It's not a cure-all. Focus on a healthy diet, sleep, and exercise for real immune strength. Use baking soda as a small part of your wellness routine. Every bit helps, but don't rely on it alone. Build a strong foundation for your immune system. Gout pain is caused by uric acid crystals in the joints. Baking soda can make uric acid more soluble, helping your body excrete it. Some find relief with small doses in water during an attack, but gout needs medical management. See your doctor for proper treatment. Baking soda is a supportive measure, not a cure. Prevent joint damage by following your doctor's advice. Use baking soda only as a short-term aid. Baking soda can ease cold and flu symptoms in several ways. Add it to steam inhalation to clear congestion and break up mucus. Gargle with it to soothe a sore throat. Some believe it helps maintain alkalinity during illness, supporting recovery. Combine with rest, hydration, and nutrients for best results. It's a versatile tool for symptom relief. Use alongside other natural remedies for a holistic approach. 13 ways baking soda can support your health. Simple, affordable, and effective. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new remedy, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with others. Comment below with your experiences or favorite natural remedies. Your stories help our community grow. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time.